Yeah, hi guys. So last classes we all discuss about the collections. Uh, Total there are four types of collections is there: list, tuple, sets, and dictionary. List, tuple, sets is already completed. So today we are going to the dictionary in Python. Okay. So dictionary in Python, it is a built-in Python collection data type, and it stores the data in the key value pairs. Okay, so here each item in a dictionary has a unique keys. uh, yeah, yes, okay, sorry. Each item in a dictionary has a unique key, and it's a value which can be any data type. So here in dictionary we can use the curly brackets. Okay, so when we are used to the dictionary, and it is a fast lookups, like if dictionaries provide the quick access to the data using, like where words are the keys and meanings are the values, like that. Okay, so and also it avoids the duplicate identifiers, like duplicate keys, and also it is useful for the structured data instead of just list or tuple. Okay, and also it can add or update or remove items easily with based on the unique keys, and also it can be stored in the values, string or numbers or lists or even other dictionaries also. Okay, so here we can write the syntax. Sorry, firstly we can share the screen. So this is the syntax of the dictionary. Okay, here we can take the my dictionary, it's a variable. So this creates the new dictionary and assign it into the uh, variable my dish. Okay, so here we can use the curly brackets, so it is as defined as the dictionary in the Python. So the name dictionary is a just variable name, this one. Okay, so we choose, and it can be anything followed by the Python's variable. Okay, then next here we can write the here key 1 and key 2. So key 1 value 1, it's the key is this is the key 1 is the this is the, sorry, this one is the key in the dictionary. So here keys are the unique identifiers in the dictionary and must be immutable. So it's the strings or numbers or tuples, whatever it you can use. So here we, the symbol is it separates the key from its value. Okay, so here value one, it here this is the value, it's assigned the key one. Okay, so values can be any data type is there, like string or number, list, another dictionary, whatever it. Okay, so here comma is there, so here comma it separates the key value pair from the next one. Then next here also we can take the another key, and this is the this key is the unique, and the here we can take the another value, this is one is the it stores the any data type like a list or tuple or what list or string or integer or other dictionary or okay. So here compulsory if you do not use the no comma here because it's in the last in the dictionary like this. Okay. So, and then next here this one is a closing tag. This is a closing tag in the dictionary definition and it tells the Python that dictionary creation is the completed. So here mainly in this dictionary in the collection in the Python here have some methods inbuilt methods. So that are the clear, copy. One second. Mhm. Yeah, sorry. So here clear, copy, and next one is from keys and next get method, items, keys, values, and then next here I have some methods is the like pop, pop item, and next one is dictionary methods, set default, update. So these are the methods in inbuilt methods in the dictionaries. Okay. So first one is the clear. It clear removes the all elements. Okay. It removes the all elements or items. Then next copy, it returns the copy. And the next one is the from keys and it creates the dictionary from keys. And then next get method, it returns the value of the keys. Like it returns the um, value for the keys. And then next it items, it returns the key value pairs like. And then next one is the keys, it returns the only keys. And then next to values, so here same opposite to the keys, it returns the only values. Okay. So here next one is the pop, it removes the and returns the value which one is the removed key. Okay. So pop, it removes the and returns the value for a key. Okay. So then next one is the pop item. Pop item means it removes the last item. Here pop item it will remove the last item. Okay. But if you are using the Python before 3.6 version, it removes the any item because of dictionary. Dictionary it maintains the ordered above 3.6 version. Okay, if you use the before 3.6, it's an unordered. Okay. Mm. Then next one is the set default. Okay, so it means it returns the values are set defaults. And then next one is the update. So this is the it updates the dictionary. Okay, these are the methods in the uh, dictionary. So firstly, we write it's a simple example clear. So it removes the all items. Okay. So here we can write the sample example. Is visible my screen? Okay. So here we can write. Actually, here we can write the syntax. Okay. So this is the syntax. Okay. Here we can write the sample example. Here we can take same variable name my dictionary equals to. Here we can take the key is the a and value is the 1. Okay. Then second we can here we can take the key is the b and value is the 2. So my dot is clear method we can use here. So print my dictionary. So it removes the all elements from the dictionary. Okay. So here dot clear it means it is a built-in dictionary method in the Python. Okay, so it removes the all key and values pairs from the dictionary. So after calling it the dictionary it becomes the empty. Okay, firstly here we can take the my dictionaries it's a variable and here we can take the elements key values pairs and keys is the a and b and values is the b 1 and 2. Okay, so then next we can call the method my dictionary dot clear. So this line is it removes the all items from the dictionary. So now if you call the my dictionary it becomes the empty dictionary like curly bracket it's okay. So now here we can run the program, see the output like okay. Then next one is the copy. So it returns the copy. Right here we can write the example. Uh, Here we can take the original variable name and values. Here we can take x10 and y20, like okay. And then next here we can take another variable name copied equals to original dot copy. Then next here we can print the copied. So copy means it returns the shallow copy of the dictionary. Okay. So here copy it creates the shallow copy of the dictionary. It means a shallow copy means the new dictionary has been same key value pairs. Okay, but it is not completely separate object in the memory. Okay, if you suppose if you change the copy, the original is not affected. So here first we can take the one variable name original, and it contains the two key value base x10 and y20. And then next line I created another variable name copied and equals to original dot copy. This method calls the original dictionary. Okay, so this creates the shallow copy of the original dictionary. So a new dictionary object is created in the memory with the same key value pairs. So it copied. If here we can print the copied. So now refers the it's the new dictionary. Okay. So the output will be the copied which became same x10 and y20, which is a duplicate of the original. See the example x10 and y20. Uh, this is another object. So here we can check the print original is copied. Okay, so here output will become the false because of they are look the same but they are not the same object. See the exam output here. Okay, then next one is the okay, sorry. From keys it creates the dictionary from keys. Okay. Okay, then next here we can write the sample example from keys. From keys, so syntax is this dictionary dot from keys of keys comma values. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, so here we can write the example keys equals to name, age, and city. And here we can take the new dictionary variable name. Like here we can create the dictionary dot from keys comma like here we can take the unknown and print the new dictionary. So here output will came the name equals to unknown and age equals to unknown and city equals to unknown. Because of here, firstly we can create the keys variable and it store the value, store the items keys name age and city. Okay, so here the next line we can call the uh, dish dot form keys. So it means it is a built-in class method dish dot form keys, and this it takes the an iterable of the keys. Here's the keys list. Okay, so it takes the optional. If you use the here unknown, it will takes the unknown, but here it is here we can if you forget this, it will takes the default in none. Okay, so it returns a new dictionary where each element from keys is a key mapped to the same value. And new dictionary it assign the it stores the newly created dictionary in the variable dish new dish. And here we can print the new dish. It shows the dictionary representation like name unknown, age unknown and city unknown. Here we can see the output like. Okay, here case is the compulsory and where it is the access to the which key you want. Okay, here values is the it's the optional default value. It's the optional. If you use the uh, this values, it returns the default value. If you did not use the values, it returns the python returns the none of the value. Okay. Mm, then next one is the get method. Okay, so here get method it returns the value for the keys, right? Like here we can take like student. This is the variable, and here we can take the sorry. Here we can take the keys name, three not age 25 and city. It will take Hyderabad. Okay, this is the dictionary. Okay, here we can use the get print of student dot get name. Okay, then next you can write the print of student of get course. You can write the print of student dot get of like course not enroll. So firstly here we can create the student in the variable and it contains the three items. That's the keys is the name, age, city, and values is the Badrinath 25 Hyderabad. Okay. So here I have the three key values pairs. And firstly here we can write the this is the it existing with the get method. So name is there. So it's the existing key. So next one we can write the sorry first here we can run this one only, will understand. So here it writes the print of student dot get. Here name is the it's the existing in the dictionary. Okay. So it returns the value Badrinath. Okay, see the output like. Okay. So then next one is the highlights the course. Here course is the it is the does not exist in the dictionary. Okay, here I have only name, age, city. So course is does not have, so it returns the none. City. Okay. So then next here we can write the same example. Here we can use the course, but here I added the like comment. uh, it's a non-existing key with the default value. Okay, here course it is does not exist in the dictionary. So here we can write the error also, which error. Okay. So course still does not it provide the default value, it return not enrolled. So it python returns the value instead of the none. Okay. So now here we can claim the output not enrolled. Okay. So here if uh, if the key is exist it returns the value. If the key is does not exist it returns the none. If you suppose if you give the default value it returns the default value. Okay. So then next one is the after get items. Okay. So items it returns the key value total pairs. uh, this syntax is the dictionary dot items. This is the syntax. And items it returns the view object in containing in the dictionary total key value pairs as in tuple format. The view object can be iterated in the overloop. Okay. So if the dictionary it has any changes, means add or removes the case, the view object updates automatically. So here we can write the simple example. See, this is a syntax. Mm, Same student. Here we can take the variable and here take the name like Badrinath, and the age is the 25, and the city is the Hyderabad. Okay. So then next we can print the print student dot. We can take the student here. We can also take the students dot items. Okay, so firstly here we can take the students in the variable and assign the three key value pairs. Okay, so here the keys are the name, age, city, and the values are the uh, Badrinath 25 and Hyderabad. So the next line we can use the students dot items. Okay, so here the dot items, it means it method returns the special view object is called dictionary items, and this view contains all the key value pairs from the dictionary, and each item is represented as the tuple format, like this format. Okay, so here we run the program, see the output, like okay, dictionary items. It shows the all list of tuples inside the dictionary items. Okay, here if you using the Python 3.6 or sorry, if you are using the 3.7 or above Python, is the insertion order is the same. Okay, so if you use the before 3.6, it's the unorder, the insertion order is the changes. So the next one is the keys. Here the same syntax, dictionary dot keys. Okay, it returns the view object containing all the keys of the dictionary, and this is a dynamic. If the dictionary will be changed, the keys views are updates automatically. Okay, in this syntax, if you use the dictionary dot keys, the output will came the key 1, key 2, like this. Okay, so here we can write the sample example. Same like students equals to name Badrinath, age 25, city Hyderabad. So here we can write the print of students dot keys. Okay, so the output will came the name, age, city, like that. Okay, here firstly we can take the variable name students and assign the key value pairs, three key value pairs. So here key value pairs is the name Badrinath and age 25 and city Hyderabad. Okay, so the next line we can use the students dot keys. So dot keys, it returns the dictionary view object that contains the all keys of the dictionary. It does not return a list directly, but it looks like same like printed name, age, city, like that. Okay, so now here we can see the output, like name, age, city, like okay. Then next one is the values. It returns the only the values opposite to the keys, like okay. Here it returns the only keys. Then here we can use the values. Here firstly here we can write the uh, this is the syntax, and it returns the a view object containing all the values of the dictionary, just like keys and items like. Okay, so it reflects the only values. So here also we can take the firstly same this example we can take here. Students variable is there and they assign the three key value pairs, and here we can write the student dot uh, values. Okay. Then now output will be the came Badrinath 25 Hyderabad like this. Okay, because of dot values it returns the dictionary view object that contains all the values of. See the output. Okay, Badrinath 25 Hyderabad like this. Okay, then next one is the pop. Pop means it removes and returns the value for the key. Okay, so here firstly we can write the syntax dictionary dot pop. Here key or default value. This is a this is the syntax for the pop method. Okay, so pop means it removes the item with a specified key and it returns the value. Okay, so here key means which key do you want to remove. Okay, if here default value it is the optional, it returns the key does not exist. If not provided and the key does not exist, Python raises the key error. Okay, then next here we can write the simple example. Same like name, age, city we can take, and then next one here we can write the age equals to students dot pop of age. Okay, so here we can print the age. Here we can print the students. Here first print is it removes the which key was removed, and here print dot status it prints the updated data. Okay, firstly here we can take the students variable name and assign the three key value pairs. Here keys are the name, age, city, and values are the Badrinath 25 Hyderabad. So the next line we can use the age is the it's the variable name to store the which key was removed. So the next key students dot pop means uh, it removes the key from the dictionary and it returns the value. Okay, here if the keys exist, it values it's the value is return the store and variable age. If the key is removed and it stores the updated the students. Okay, then next here we can print the print of age means here which key is the removed, so that key was printed. Here print dot students it's the updated code for the after remove the age. Okay, so now here we can run the program. Output will came the 25 and name, city. 25 and name and city. Okay, so here the updated code, the age key is the no longer in the dictionary. Mm. Then next one is the pop item. It removes the last items. Okay, last items are last inserted items. Last inserted. No, 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 no. Ah, okay. So this is the same syntax. This dot pop item. So sorry. This is the so this is the syntax. It removes the pop item means it removes and returns the last inserted key value pair as the tuple. Okay, so uh, firstly mainly if you are using the Python 3.7 above, it dictionary maintain the insertion order, so it always removes the last inserted item. Okay, so if the dictionary is empty, it will rises Python throw rises the error. So same like here we can raise the uh, same example pop item. Items under students. Okay. So firstly here we can say we can take the variable name students and assign the three values, name, age and city is the keys, and Badrinath 25 Hyderabad are the values. So here we can take the another variable name to store the which item will be the removed. So here pop item, it means the it removes the last inserted item. So here we can print the print dot items. It will this will change the output city Hyderabad. Okay, uh, here print students, it will came the output after the updated. Okay, means after remove the pop item, so it will change the output name Badnath and age 25. Okay, pop item means it removes the last inserted key value pair from the dictionary. Okay, so last inserted key value here city and Hyderabad is there, so it is removed and from the dictionary returned as the tuple city Badnath, and it returns the stored in the items like. Okay, so now here we can run the program, see the output city Hyderabad and name Badnath age 25. Okay, so this is the output. Then last one is the no, no. The next one is the set default. It returns the values or sets the defaults. Okay, so that means here we can write the firstly syntax means dictionary dot set default key comma default value. Okay, so then next here, if the keys exist, it returns the its value. If the keys does not exist, it adds the default value with the it, if the keys exist, it adds the and it returns the existed value. Okay, if the keys does not exist, it adds the key with the default value and returns that the value. Okay, so default value is the optional. If you not provided, it uses the defaultly none. So firstly here we can write the uh, key exist, like here we can remove the city. Okay, firstly, and here we writes the key value. Okay, then next one is next values equals to student dot, sorry, students dot set default, sorry, uh, I have continued the after 5 minutes. We'll wait the please. You can see the here example like, okay, this is the set default example, so you can see this one. After 5 minutes we will continue the class. Sorry. Yeah, it's a set default. So here we can write the sample example. Here we can remove the city, and then next here we can write the set default means values equals to students dot set default name and unknown. Okay, then here print values, then next print students. So here we can take the students variable name and keys is the name and age and values is the Badrinath and 25. So here we can name is already exist. So here we can write the set default name is the unknown. Okay. So here set default name is the key is already exist. So it returns the value Badrinath. Okay. Dictionary is it remains the unchanged. Okay. So now if I run the program here, print the values, it means Rani means it means Badrinath and students it means the updated code same as usually name Badrinath and age 25. Like okay. So then next here we can write like set default keys does not exist. So here key means city and Hyderabad. So now here city key is the does not exist. So this key is added the last of the dictionary and value also Hyderabad added the that key city. Okay, and it returns the value Hyderabad and it updated code name Badrinath age 25 and city means Hyderabad. Like okay. Suppose if you did not give the value, it defaultly python it defaultly takes the none value. Okay, so here the set default city is a key. So here city is does not exist and also does not give the default value. Okay, so it city will adds here last of the dictionary and it will value will continue the none value. Like okay. So if you does not give the value, it returns the defaultly none value. Okay. So always set default never removes the anything. It only adds and retrieves means get. Okay. And if the keys exist, the dictionary is unchanged. If the keys does not exist, then the key is added with the default value. Okay, default value is the optional. If you use the default value, it will print add the that default value. If you does not give the default value, it adds the none of the value. Then next one is the last one. Sorry. Update. Okay, so update it updates the dictionary. Like here we can write the syntax dictionary dot update. Here you use the other dictionary or dictionary dot update key equals to value key 2 equals to value 2, like this. Okay, if you use the other dictionary or manually key values. Okay, so update means it adds the key values from another dictionary or from uh, any keyword arguments. So if a key is already exists, its value is updated. If the keys does not exist, it adds the uh, uh, new field in the dictionary. Okay, so firstly, here we can write the sample example update with the another dictionary, means other dictionary. Okay, so here students equals to name and age, here we can take, and here we can take the update data. Update data equals to here age will take the 26 and city will take the sorry, Hyderabad. Okay, then next here we can enter the students dot update of updated data. So now here print the students. Okay, so here updated data is has the age 26 and city Badrinath. Age is already exist in the students. Okay, so it's update only from value 25 to 26. If the here city is does not exist, so it's added the students. Because of here we use the update function, update method means. Okay, so now here we came the output name Badrinath, age 26 and city Hyderabad. We can see the output like this. Okay, now here we can update using the like this keyword arguments. Okay, same like here we can take, and here we update the um, age equals to 26 and city equals to Hyderabad. Okay, this is the update using the keywords, not a other dictionary. Okay, see, so here age is already exist, so it updates the only value from 25 to 26. Okay, so then next um, adds the like only for new keyword arguments. Okay, so here students has the name Badrinath, and here we can update the age 26 and city Badrinath. Okay, so here city and uh, age will not have the in the students. So here students will update the both these name Badrinath and age and city will added here. Okay, so now we can see the output. Okay, so mainly update if you are using the update function, it's an another dictionary, dictionary dot update to dictionary 2. So keyword arguments means it dictionary update, dictionary dot update key values pairs. Okay, if it's overrides the existing keys and adds the new keys automatically. Okay, mainly I think it is useful for the merging dictionaries or adding updating multiple items at the once. Like, okay, so this is the dictionary in the Python. Okay, so dictionary is a built-in Python collection that type of that stores the data in the key value space. Okay, each item in a dictionary has the unique key and values which can be any data type, and it is usually defined as the curly brackets and keys and values. So this is also called also known as JSON format also, this format. Okay, so these are the collections in the Python. Total four collections is the list, tuple, sets and dictionary. Okay. Now, is there any doubts on this one? Please, anyone confirm. If you are have any doubts, please ask me. I will wait for 2 minutes. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.